Niggas out here making classics and shit, man. Authentic shit. Grimy, dirty, and dangerous. It's like cookies and angel dust. Smell it through the package. I can sell it cause it's cracking. Or like my Damu would say that it's bracking. The op got in my scope and I blapped them. Stop frontin', y'all cowards ain't trapping. True talent, New Balance, few gallons. Cognac Island, we gon' act violent. Rest in peace, my grandpapa Sneak. My bloodline from Flint to the fucking D. Sip your cup of tea. You out your mind if you think that you can fuck with me. I press lines like I'm trying to iron. Y'all still playing, must not be tired of dying. I ain't losing none of mine. I'm the one to find that'll gladly discipline you with this little gun of mine. Niggas always take the weird route. After I pop their veneers out. I'm the one you always hear about. Stupid rounds that'll make you motherfuckers clear out. They say I'm dope, they say I'm ill. They say I'm tough, they say I'm real. But they never tell you how I feel.
What about the way you love me? Yeah,
they say I'm dope, they say I'm ill. They say I'm tough, they say I'm real. But they never tell you how I feel.
What about the way you love me?
Stop running up on me as if we shared a sandwich. Just cause I met you one time don't mean you know the planet. Now I respect my supporters, but use some common sense. After the show is over, I ain't trying to spit, I'm trying to sit my old ass down. Chill and roll a split, get something to eat, go to sleep, wake up and split. But you wanna talk my ear off, breath smelling like Smirnoff. Make a rapper wanna take a year off. I'm fantasizing about the couch at the house, remote control, cable shows, HBO. I think my back is out, the pain is sciatic. Do anything just to combat it. Okay, I guess I'll stay and blaze with the fanatics. I'm a real trooper, used to be an ill hooper, but now it's 21 and hash blocks through the hookah. I'm the one you always hear about. Stupid smoke that'll make you motherfuckers clear out. They say I'm dope, they say I'm ill. They say I'm tough, they say I'm real. But they never tell you how I feel.
What about the way you love me? Yeah,
they say I'm dope, they say I'm ill. They say I'm tough, they say I'm real. But they never tell you how I feel.
What about the way you love me?
I tell you how I feel. A lot of these niggas is whack, you know what I'm saying? Straight like that. A lot of watered down shit out there, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Stop giving credit to that weak shit.
Yeah.